Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bagel like Tim Hortons, updated. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and proofing yeast in warm water. Mix high-gluten flour with malt syrup and salt, then knead until elastic. Shape into tight rounds, rest briefly, then poke a hole and stretch to form classic bagel rings. Boil briefly with baking soda or malt, then bake at high heat to get the chewy interior and boiling is the secret to the classic chew and sheen. Bring a large pot of water to a gentle boil and add a spoon of baking soda or malt for flavor and color. Slide shaped bagels in carefully, boiling each side briefly. This sets the crust before oven time. While wet, press on toppings so they stick, and transfer bagels straight to a hot oven for a crisp finish. Use a very hot oven and a preheated stone or tray to mimic commercial conditions and get that chewy inside. Bake until the exterior is a deep golden brown, which locks in texture and flavor. Rotate trays for even color and watch closely in the final minutes to avoid overbaking. Let bagels cool on a rack to set the crumb, then slice and enjoy with cream cheese or your favorite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.